Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, in today's video I am going to create a super easy Indian makeup look. Yeah, you can also call it a everyday makeup look. Everything is like so simple and so easy. This is the no makeup look. So without further ado, let's start the video. Let's start the makeup. Today my hair is like super annoying. I don't know why.
Girls' hair do a more tantrums than girls.
I think you also believe. This is not a perfect method, but this is the method that I am always using to apply the makeup. Okay. First of all, let me just apply the body lotion. Yeah, moisturization is the best. So yeah, my skin type is like in some area it is so oily. Here, like somewhere here, it is like so much dry. Let me just moisturize it. You can also do a little bit massage. First of all, let me just pin my hair. After that, I am going to use this primer. Yeah. So don't worry, I will just put the name here. So yeah. Now I am going to apply this primer.
Yeah.
Now I am going to apply the foundation. Today I am going to use this foundation. Yeah, just because my old foundation is just expired. I'm going to apply like personally I don't like to apply the foundation too much. So I just apply the little bit of like thin layer, nothing much. I'm going to apply here much. I'm going to take it just little bit. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And yeah, whenever you apply here now, then you just have to look upward and just apply it. Otherwise it will become like so glacky. Yeah, today I didn't mix my moisturizer body lotion just because I already applied before, and this is the monsoon season, so I don't think so I need that much. Apply everywhere, otherwise it look like so different. So yeah, this is the tip one. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, my concealer is expired, so today I'm going to use this. Whenever I apply here now, I just use my finger. So yeah, I'm so much clumsy. I don't know why. Now going to settle this up, I'm going to use the Lakme 925 finishing powder. So yeah, by the way, it is such a good. I am 100% recommend you this finishing powder. Yeah, I totally loved it. Just because even if you don't apply na foundation and just apply this, then also your skin is like glowing. And now I'm applying the finishing powder just because my base are clear. Every time apply, I just careful with here and there. So yeah, now my base part is done. I just use 3 products. Now I'm never do anything with my eyebrows just because I love the way it is. It is already so dark, so I never apply anything on my eyebrows. Yeah, now I'm going to do my eyes. Now I'm going to apply this eyeliner, Lakme Absolute Shine Line. Basically product mostly I use the Lakme. If you wanna to do na such a like, then start with your middle from here. I think I need a mirror. Oh shit, man. I'm literally not comfortable to do a liner like this. I really need a mirror, but I don't have any mirror. So sad, Nidhi, so sad. Wait, use this mirror. Yeah. I'm such a stupid girl, huh? I have to use this for this mirror. Here you can also give this kind of salty look. This side's eyeliner is done. After doing this, I will just come back. Wait. Yeah, this is not a comfortable. Because it is so heavy, this is not a comfortable at all. 2000 years later. One eternity later. Yeah, finally my liner is like complete. Today liner is not a perfect one, but yeah, because it is so hard to do without the mirror. So yeah, right now I am just going to apply like this pink. Basically I do the pink eyeshadow just because पिंक शेड या दिस इज द बेसिक वन एंड आपके आउटफिट के हिसाब से आप जैसा भी हो ऐसा आई शेडो और लिपस्टिक कर सकते हो. आई नो इट इज लिटिल बिट वियर्ड टू सी मी लाइक दिस बट या सॉरी जस्ट बिकॉज नेक्स्ट टाइम आई हैव टू प्रिपेयर विद द मिरर ऑल्सो. या एंड आई एम गोइंग टू दिस काइंड ऑफ ब्राउन शेड एट द आउटसाइड. या जस्ट now I'm just going to apply this highlighter here. You can see my eyeshadow is done. Now I'm going to apply the blusher. This is the from the same palette. This is the multitasker. Yeah, there is a pink and little bit I am mixing with this too. Just use this kind of upwards direction. Little bit more and just smile like this. Now same this side.
Okay then.
Little bit on nose. Here also some pinkish shade. So yeah, wait. Here I also wanna to do this pink shade here. And yeah, by the way, yeah, everyone's makeup style is such a different, so you have to figure it out like which kind of way you look more pretty. Everyone's method are so different, so you have to choose like how is work for you. So now for the highlighter part, now first of all I am going to highlight my nose. If you know now, if I know you don't know, but my favorite part to highlight my nose. Yeah, here and here also. Basically I didn't apply here so much makeup just because here I got some pimple or something, so just here I also gonna to apply this here. I love the highlighter, like I love to glow my makeup. Now I'm going to apply this bronzer here and here. Wait, let me show you. Yeah, let me show you. Little
Kind of. And just here also.
like you know na, basically the three. Yeah, and here also. I basically don't apply this too much. So yeah, this palette is such a helpful. This is like a magic for me. I love this. Yeah, just note down. If you wanted to purchase this, I will give the link in description so you can go and check it. Now the last part. No, mascara is also remaining. Basically my mascara is like खत्म हो गई है. I love it when you call me senorita. Yeah, today my eyes will not look that much good because my mascara is not available. lighting is like little bit ups and downs just because of monsoon. So yeah, it looks so much scary now, I know. So yeah, now let me just do my lipstick. For lipstick, I am going to first of all apply this like 03 vintage pink. Yeah, first of all I am going to apply this. Like basically every time I just do 1 or 2 3 shades. Wait. On that I am going to apply this 07 mild Mauve. Yeah. So yeah, just because I didn't want exit that shade, that's why I used this to change the shade. Let me just use this shade also, like 12 pink Glam. Yeah, because I wanted to similar like this. So yeah, my final look. This is the look that I created and I totally love it. I also want to give you one tip that you next time you have to create any kind of look na, you just have to match that your lipstick shade is matching with your outfit. Eyeshadow is like give that type of vibes. So yeah, if everything is in a vibes, then it definitely it will look good. So yeah, that's my today's tip. So yeah, this is my nail polish. This is I done. I know it is not that much good, but I wanted to show you. Yeah, it is done by me. Oh my god, बारिश हो गई, बारिश शुरू हो गई है. So yeah, oh my god, I love. Lighting is so bad right now just because of the बारिश. So yeah, this is the look that I created. Yeah, this is the simple basic one. So yeah, I didn't do anything much. That's it for today's video. I hope you like my video. If you like, then click on the like button, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and toodles.